Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Nitration of phenol. The starting material shown is benzene with an OH group, i.e., phenol, using HNO3H2SO4 gives a mixture of orthonitrophenol, onitrophenol, and paranitrophenol, p-nitrophenol. The question identifies two products, A, more volatile and B, less volatile. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reaction. Phenol undergoes electrophilic aromatic substitution with HNO3H2SO4 to give predominantly ortho and paranitrophenol. Moving on to the next step. Distinguish volatility. Onitrophenol to nitrophenol forms an intramolecular hydrogen bond between the OH group and the adjacent number 2 group. This intramolecular H bonding reduces intermolecular association, lowering the boiling point and making it more volatile, steam distillable. P-nitrophenol, 4-nitrophenol, forms intermolecular hydrogen bonds, leading to stronger intermolecular forces, a higher boiling point, and making it less volatile. And for the final step, assign products. Product A is equal to more volatile is equal to onitrophenol to nitrophenol, which corresponds to option A. Product B is equal to less volatile is equal to p-nitrophenol, 4-nitrophenol, which corresponds to option C. Why other options fail? Option B. Metanitrophenol is not a major product of phenol nitration because OH is an ortho-para director. Option C. Paranitrophenol is the less volatile product, B. Not A. Option D. Nitrobenzene would require a different starting material. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.